Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel RN ArchiVision. Today is a new video wherein I would be teaching you further about the XREF files. If you haven't taken a look at the previous videos of where I have given a detailed lesson of what and how we use the XREF files and why do we use an XREF files, do take a look over it. I'll put the link in the description box and also in the above I button. So for today's video, the main topic is that how do we edit the XREF file without even opening the XREF file. So basically editing XREF in its place. So how do we do that? Let's see that in the upcoming video. So stay connected with me. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have this particular plan in front of me, and when I'm just clicking over this plan, you can see that it's been selected as a whole, which means that it's an XREF file. Okay, and on top you can see it's an external reference, which means it's an XREF file. And on towards your right on the file reference tab, you can see it's an XREF ground floor plan. Okay, so now in this, how do we actually edit this? For example, if I say I just want to remove this label of living area, how do we do that? So let's do that. Let's see how do we do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click over this particular plan. Okay, and as you can see, we have an option of edit XREF in place. Okay, so you have multiple options over here of clipping XREF, opening XREF, but we are not going to do anything. We just want to edit XREF in its own place. So we're just going to click edit XREF in its place. Okay, and we have this particular tab opening up over here. Okay, it basically shows the name of the XREF file that needs to be edited, and that's correct. And I'm gonna click OK. Okay, and this XREF file is basically activated. Okay, and as soon as this is activated, you can see that the rest of the other things over here, like 9200, even if you try deleting it, it doesn't delete because that's something not a part of the XREF. So whatever editings you want in the original files, that won't be made over here. Okay, so and in this particular XREF file, as you can see, this living area, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select over here and I'm going to delete this because I don't want it. Okay, just for example, I don't want it. Now I have deleted that, and on top over here, as you can see, we have multiple options. Okay, like save the changes or discard any changes. Okay, anything of that sort. So right now I don't want the living area label, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to save the changes. Okay, and once you do that, okay, all the references edits will be saved. And to save the reference changes, click OK, and to cancel the command, click cancel. Okay, so I just want to make changes. I'm going to click OK, and the changes have been made. Okay, and the living area title has been removed. Okay, just in case I feel like I just want the title back, so you can simply do that. You can right click over this, edit XREF in place, click OK, and I'm just gonna copy that, get it over here. Okay, and gonna click over this and simply gonna type living area. All right, so that's how I'm gonna do it, and then on top over here I'm gonna save the changes. Okay, if you want to discard the changes, you can still click discard changes, and it's gonna ask me if you want to just kind of confirming of whether you want discard it. I can just click OK, but right now I want it back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save the changes, I'm gonna click OK, and that's back again. Okay, so that's how the XREF file basically works. All right, so it's something very simple, and this is kind of very helpful when you need to make multiple changes in your XREF file without opening the file, because at the time you have so many files open on your AutoCAD software, and in order to just make sure that your software doesn't get too heavy, you can just simply do this as editing on its place. Even if it's a small editing, you just edit it on its place and your work is done. Okay, so that's how you actually edit files, XREF files in its place. I hope this video was quite informative. I hope you have liked this video. Do like my video, share it with your friends, do subscribe my channel, and stay connected with me. I'll be back with a new video, a new informative video. Till then, take care and bye bye.